With the country field, you can list all countries in the select box for the users to choose from. In the field option, you can see the settings for the country field such as label, description, required, and so on. Here you can see a setting called Enable the Country Flag. So this option allows you to show the country flag on the front end of the form. Now under the Advanced option, you can see an option called Default Country. Here you can choose which countries you want to display for your form fillers. So when you remove the selected country from here, it won't be displayed in the front end. You can see an example here that we have removed a country from the list and now the option is not available in the front end. Further, you can make other changes like choose to hide label, add CSS classes, and choose the field visibility. Also, you can make other changes as you need for your field.